In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how admin user can add new users inside BuildSpace. First, click at the BuildSpace logo on the top left corner and click Administration module. Then, click System Administration. To edit the company's profile, double-click Add Company Profile. Fill in all required information, especially those with asterisks, and click Save. To add a new user, click User Management. Double-click User Maintenance and click Add New User. Fill in all information and please ensure the email is a valid email. Then click Save. To assign user into a group, double-click Group Maintenance. You can either assign user to an existing group or to create a new one. To create a new group, click Add New Group. Fill in the group name at the space provided. Here, you can monitor on which module users in this group can access. Click on the checkbox to include the modules and click Save. To assign user into this group, click Add User to Group. Click at the checkbox provided to select user, then click Save.